Today I'm talking about this modification to the Anycubic Photon S to solve one of my biggest grievances, the fact that the build platform goes like this. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So today I am talking about this bracket, which you can see is the black bracket that I have added onto this build plate. So first things first, let me tell you that I ordered this bracket offline as a modification to my Anycubic Photon S's build plate. I hoped that it would solve one of the biggest issues that I had. As you can see, I am currently uninstalling this bracket from my build plate. So let me talk to you about what it was supposed to do, what it did well, and what it didn't do well. So the bracket is called the EasyZ0 for the Anycubic Photon or the Anycubic Photon S. And the idea behind it is it's supposed to eliminate the little bit of wobble that is caused by the build plate's round ball bearing connector between the plate and the arm that raises and lowers. It does solve that problem. The side-to-side wobble is eliminated by this bracket because this bracket just simply doesn't move in that direction. What it does, however, is it makes the build plate itself so impossible to try to level it and get it to be square that after I put this on, out of 10 prints, I had 2 successful prints, and they were not the last 2 prints that I did. So I just decided enough was enough, and as you can see, I am going back to the factory bracket that Anycubic packages with their machine. I get decent results. You just get a little bit of a wavy line in the print. But that is certainly better than it failing to print altogether. So it's just simple screws to take off the original and put the EasyZ0 on, or vice versa, to remove the EasyZ0 and go back to the way it was originally. And almost all of the tools that you actually need to do this, Anycubic gives you as a part of the tool set that comes with the Photon S. So don't feel intimidated if you do want to give this bracket a try. For my own money though, I wish I hadn't bought it. I really was hopeful that it would make this printer just that much more useful and that much cooler, but it did not work for me. I just fought with it. So I thought I would share that with everybody so that you were aware of the difficulties with this product. If you've had success with it, make sure to leave me a comment, because I would love to know a different method for actually leveling this plate with that bracket. But it didn't work for me. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that this was helpful, even though it's a short video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them for me below. If you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.